Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily check your screen time on your iPhone. Screen time is a built-in feature from Apple that helps you understand how much time you spend on your device, what apps you use the most, and even allows you to set limits so you can manage your digital habits better. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Now once you are inside Settings, scroll down a little bit until you see that says Screen Time. Tap on it to open the menu. This is where you can view all your screen time information. Here you will see a summary right at the top showing you total screen time for today. This is the amount of time you've been actively using your iPhone since midnight. If you want more details, you can tap on the graph or tap See All Activity. After tapping the graph, you will see a breakdown of how much time you spend on each app or category. For example, it might show you how many hours you've been on social media, entertainment, or productivity apps. You can also switch between today or 7-day to see a weekly average. Besides just viewing your screen time, you can also explore some extra features here. For instance, you can set app limits if you want to restrict how long you can use certain apps each day. There's also downtime, which allows you to schedule time away from your screen, such as before bedtime. And if you scroll further, you can see how many times you pick up your phone and how many notifications you receive. If you have family sharing set up, Screen Time also lets you view and manage your child's screen usage. This can be very helpful for parents who want to keep track of how much time their kids spend on apps or games. And that's it. That's how you check screen time on your iPhone. It's a simple but powerful tool to help you stay mindful of your digital habits and maybe even cut down on unnecessary scrolling. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.